Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this new video where I'm going to be introducing a new feature on the Paystack payment gateway platform, which is called storefront. So we're going to be looking at the introduction. I'm going to show you subsequent videos what you can actually do with the storefront, which is being provided by Paystack. But before we dive straight into the video, if you haven't subscribed, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon beside it so that you won't miss any video I drop on this awesome channel, guys. So guys, let's dive straight into the video. So this is Paystack. Okay, so if you're new to Paystack, you might need to create an account and submit all the necessary documents, which is not quite hard. And you see that right in this menu bar here, there's a new feature which is called storefront. So we want to look at it and see what we can actually do with this storefront. So actually this storefront is a kind of an e-commerce platform which is offered by Paystack themselves. So it's very easy and it will actually integrate easily with your payment gateway, which is Paystack. Okay, so guys, this is a wonderful feature and I'm really excited about this, and that's why I'm doing this video, to let you guys know that this is a fantastic feature in the Paystack platform, and it's something that I'm looking forward to start using for my online businesses, and I know that it's gonna be actually wonderful for you guys to do. So if you want to create a store, a storefront, you just need to click on create a new storefront, and all you need to do is to just write the name of the storefront and fill in the details here, and you have it. So let's call this one King's Shop. Okay, so let me call this storefront King's Shop. So this is King's Shop, and the currency from Nigeria, so I'll leave it as Naira, the Nigerian Naira, and this is the Palmer link. Okay, so whenever I want to navigate to this store, I have to go to paystack.com and paystack.shop/King's Shop. Okay, so this is the Palmer link. This is the link I could share to my friends and tell them to shop on my store. So I click on create. Okay, it's actually gonna create the store. So you see that fantastically, and the store has been created. So now I can just come here and view my store. Okay, I can just click on preview right now and see my store and see what it actually looks like. You can see this is how my store actually looks like, and people can I can decide to add products on these pages, and people can shop on my store and have their goods delivered to them the way I plan. So guys, this is a fantastic feature in the Paystack payment gateway, and it's a wonderful feature, and I'm looking forward to start using this for my business. And I want you to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be dropping multiple videos and a lot of videos about this stuff. I'm going to be showing you how you can add products to this store so that your products will be displaying here, and how you can also add shipping methods so that you can ship those products to your customers, and how you can actually receive payments in the Paystack payment gateway. So fantastic. I know you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, come on, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification bell button beside it, and I'm looking forward to next video where I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to know. So thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.